I wouldn't pull it off fast because it's gonna hurt. If you go slow,
No, do it fast.
I don't know. Well, today's a busy day on getting supplies coming in and going out and getting supplies. We've had an early rush on beekeeping equipment this year. They just don't make ballasts like they used to in a light. What can I say? My dad was an electrician. So today I'm busy making some winter bee kinds. And sometimes you see me dressed in this lab coat because they're under $8 if you buy them online. And you can get them filthy dirty and nobody cares and you can throw them away. So look how dirty my clothes would be if I wasn't wearing a lab coat. And what's really scary about a lab coat Hey, how are ya?
Good, how are
You care if I film you?
I don't care.
Put you on my vlog?
Sure.
What's your name?
Chad Davis.
Chad Davis. And what did you come? For these right here?
Yep, winter be kind.
Oh, what do you
refilled those for me.
Yeah, what do you think about them? Are they working pretty good for you?
Yeah, they worked really well. I've been measuring the temperature and the humidity inside the hive, and it made a considerable difference. Probably a 40% decrease in the humidity.
Wow.
Because it was able to bring the temperature up.
Yep.
And the bees are more active inside of the hive because of it.
Wow. Wow. Have you already had them eat through one of these?
Yeah.
So you're putting the second one on now?
Yeah, actually,
Okay,
I've already put the second one on.
Oh, okay.
Because it's been so warm this winter.
Yep.
This is the third time.
Oh, yeah.
If it warms up again this coming weekend, I'll pull it off and see how much they've ate.
Yep. Yep. Good. Wow. So do they look pretty populated in there?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
I had one hive that did really well this year,
Mm-hmm.
and the population's still up fairly large.
Oh, cool.
And I had another hive that was failing. I had to requeen multiple times.
Yep.
And it's holding the population right now.
Oh, good. Well, good. We're hoping for the best, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
All right.
You know this jam-free guaranteed stapler? It's jammed.
Oh, are you serious? Oh. What's the guarantee? What do you get if what's the guarantee on one? You get another free one?
Yeah.
You didn't like it? Wow.
No, do it fast.
I don't know. Did it hurt? You don't have any hair to hurt.